Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 5 questions for 5CO01 assessment for 2024-25. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. When answering questions related to redundancy, particularly in scenarios involving compulsory redundancies, it's crucial to show an understanding of the legal framework. UK employment law requires meaningful consultation with affected staff, either individually or collectively, depending on the number of redundancies. Dismissing employees without this consultation is not only unfair, it's unlawful. Employers must follow a fair procedure, including identifying the selection pool, applying fair and objective criteria, and considering alternatives to redundancy. Managers should not simply target poor performers without evidence and proper process, as this exposes the organization to claims of unfair dismissal. Demonstrating knowledge of these steps, while highlighting the importance of timing, communication, and fairness, will ensure your response meets CIPD expectations and legal standards. A major mistake learners make is overlooking the consultation aspect. UK law mandates consultation where 20 or more redundancies are proposed at one establishment within 90 days. This requires collective consultation with employee representatives. Even with fewer redundancies, individual consultation is still required. Failing to do this risks costly legal claims. Assessment responses must show you understand the necessity of providing adequate information to affected staff, listening to their input, and considering reasonable alternatives. You should also describe what makes a consultation meaningful. Timing and documentation are key. Late or superficial discussions don't count. This demonstrates your grasp of employee relations, risk management, and ethical leadership, important areas in CIPD Level 5 criteria. Another common error is applying vague or unfair criteria when selecting roles for redundancy. CIPD Level 5 expects you to be able to discuss fair selection processes. Criteria like attendance, skills, and disciplinary records are often valid if applied consistently. Avoid basing decisions on general impressions or opinions. Ensure your rationale is objective and supported by evidence, especially in performance assessments. Each employee should be scored fairly, and records of how decisions were made should be kept. Highlight the need to consult with trade unions or staff reps when designing criteria. Your answer should show that you understand how proper selection protects employee rights, supports organizational integrity, and reduces legal risks. Supporting employees during redundancy isn't just best practice, it's essential for ethical HR. CIPD assessments expect recognition of this duty of care. Avoid focusing purely on process. Think about people. Include emotional support such as counseling or EAPs, employee assistance programs, and practical tools like CV workshops or interview coaching. Maintain open, respectful communication. This protects morale among remaining staff and upholds the organization's values. An often missed point is that good support reduces the risk of negative publicity and helps retain engagement during future change. In your assessment, show how strong HR leadership extends beyond legality to ethics, engagement, and well-being. Doing so will enhance the quality and depth of your analysis. To meet CIPD Level 5 standards, you need to propose solutions, not just critique mistakes. An effective redundancy strategy involves proactive planning and compliance. Start by ensuring managers understand legal duties and ethical expectations. This may require training or guidance materials. Design policies that outline each step: consultation, selection, notification, and support. Allow enough time for these to be carried out properly. Selection tools should be tested for bias and validated against job roles. After implementation, evaluate the outcome. Did the process meet legal standards? Were employees treated with respect? What could be improved next time? A strategic, reflective approach demonstrates your ability to manage people professionally, ethically, and in line with the law. Key goals in CIPD learning outcomes.